It's your boy, I wasn't gonna say looking gooder than ever, but I can. Look at this. You see it? There it is. I got hit with a heavy metal watch. I was playing basketball with Behadin. It hit me in the nose. He fouled me, and I got the shot off, so it was like an and one. But that's not the point. The point is, ladies, I'm not a 10 anymore. I'm a 9.5, but you know what I mean? I hope that's still good, why am I apologizing? I mean, like I still look good. You know what I mean? Like, some of you BGs have a chance now. You know what I mean? Like, you guys got a chance with an almost dime piece, like an ex dime piece like me. But it's all good in the hood. I'm here with Bingy, waiting for Dump because mom made soup. It's all good in the hood. But anyway, shout out to my nigga Carrot. Word on the street is he has a small carrot. You know what I mean? I'm just saying. I'm just like repeating what's being told to me. And follow me, Juan.com. Spelled out. I'm not going to spell it out for you because you guys can spell Juan.com. Oh, and shout out to Esther the Queen. That's her, her conceited ass YouTube name. It should be Easter the Queen, but it's Esther the Queen. I'm not going to spell that out. You guys can find it yourselves. All right, bye.